Hi, it's Beth again. I have an outline here for you for a resume. One page only. Some of you are going to have trouble getting it to one page. Some of you are going to have trouble keeping it to one page. I've got suggestions for both groups. It has to be one page because the person reading it doesn't have time for anything more. Quick, to the point. Full name, address, phone number, email, contact information. How do they get in touch with you? For the one that you will send to me, full name I need. Please don't send me your address, your phone number, your email. I have ways to get in touch with you. I do not want privacy issues. So just, I don't know, put X's or something. Career objective, the title of the position you are seeking. Clear, concise. Relevant skills. It could be technology if you're looking for something in tech, coding. Languages could be in almost anything, I would think. If you're looking for home care, it might be experience with caregiving, relevant attributes. These two might be the same topic in your resume. And I've just listed some: problem solving, management skills, collaborates well with a team, communication skills, time management. Anything that fits into what you're looking for. If you're looking for something as an administrative assistant, I think communication skills are very good. Time management skills are pretty good. If you're looking for something in construction, collaborates well with a team would definitely be the case. Education, I put education first. It might not be, depending on how relevant your work experience is, but I put down things that I know for a fact. You are in Lane Community College right this second, 2000 and something to the present. Include your GPA if it's high, leave it out if it's not. Expected graduation in whatever program you're in 2000 and what. They're not going to hold you to it, but it shows that you're progressing toward a degree here. High school, if it's recent, if it's within the last 5 years and you're proud of it, if you have a good GPA or any kind of honors, I'll put that in. Also honors for LCC too. If you're in any of the honors programs or something like that, that would be good. If you're a member of the student government, that would work. Work experience, I'd put that second, but like I said, if it's more relevant, you might put that above education. It goes chronologically in reverse order. Most recent job title first, company name, this to the present. If you have room, the relevant job description. Other jobs in chronological order, most recent to longest ago. Feel free to put down, even if your job has nothing to do with what you're looking for. A job at McDonald's shows attention to detail. That might work if you're applying to be a nurse. Just think about it. It shows you held down a job, you were responsible. Interest in hobbies, if relevant and if there's room. And then at the bottom, references available upon request. Okay, we'll be talking about this.